Pair it. Okay. Oh, instantly paired up. All right, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and you want to know if this is any good or not, right? So let me tell you, as I said, I am from Doug and Nikki. We have a YouTube channel where we travel the world. We're going on a vacation, going on a cruise, and I wanted to get a new portable waterproof speaker to check out, try out, bring on our trip if it's any good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this, play with it, see how good it is, and then I will give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of it, and let you know if it's going on vacation with us or not. I do need to tell you, I am not sponsored at all. This was not provided to me. We bought this. Nikki actually picked it out. And so I'm gonna give you our honest answer, my honest opinion of this, and we'll see if it passes or it fails. All right, let's see what we got in here. So this is the Flip 5. As I said, it is waterproof. It is IPX7 waterproof. It has a 12-hour battery time, which is absolutely huge if we get some good sound out of it. Certainly it is Bluetooth operated. Ooh, comes in a nice cool case. I wasn't actually expecting that. Most interesting thing will be to see what color the beautiful Miss Nikki purchased. This looks like a flammable red kind of cool color, and normally she's a little more subdued with her colors. Before I open this and show you, let's see what kind of accessories it comes with. It's got some really cool branding and packaging. So we have an instruction manual, a USB cable, a quick start guide. Nice, that's all well packaged. Let's see what the speaker itself looks like. It is red. She got a red one. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so impressed. How cool is this thing? So it's nice and light. I've had some of these in the past, not from JBL, that were much heavier than this one. You can see it has some controls on there. You have play, volume up, volume down, and that's a random or repeat function. Here's where the USB plugs in, the power, and how you connect it via Bluetooth. So I think, ooh, you can see the speaker. Oh, the speakers are so cool. Fingers crossed it has a little juice. Let's see what happens. Ooh, definitely powered up. JBL Flip 5. Let's pair it. Ooh, instantly paired up. So I can't play music for you, otherwise I'm going to get a copyright violation. So what I can do though is I can go to my YouTube page and pull up some of the audio there. All right, let's check it out, see how it sounds. Experiences in one of the most unique and amazing countries in the world.
We're Doug and Nikki, and we're here at the Taj Mahal.
That's right, the Taj Mahal in India, one of the wonders of the world. It is a unique country, and it can be a little scary for travelers, but it is so beautiful, and we want to share our experience with you. Beautiful hotels, amazing wildlife, the sweetest and most interesting people. Come join us. Let's start with some cool wildlife. Okay, that is super clear. I can feel the bass from the background music in my hand. Sounds great. I think it's so cool that you can see the speakers themselves moving. Overall, seems ridiculously cool. As I said, I've had a couple other of these, and this, I would say, for its size, the bass is outstanding. The clarity, the mid-range is absolutely incredible. And even at the higher volumes, the clarity is still good. It doesn't get vibrating and terrible. So this is definitely a Flip 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This thing is super cool. I'm so excited. I'm going to take it on vacation and enjoy it. Yeah, this is going to live with Doug and Nikki for a while. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.